Hey guys, fall is here and wait till you see what soup I'm going to make for you today. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to Nancy's Love Kitchen. Today we're going to make a beautiful, amazing fall soup. It's an orzo soup with some chicken in there, some spinach and tomatoes, corn, some parsley and pesto. You guys will love it. I have all the ingredients ready for you guys here, so let's get started. I have a iron cast pot here. We're just going to add a little bit of olive oil. Let that heat up a little bit. I'm going to add our orzo. And we're going to actually toast this up a little bit, give it a little bit of color. So we're going to keep stirring it until you see it changing colors. Once you see that color coming in, we want to turn it down a little bit. And you don't have to have an iron cast to do this. You can do it in any pot that you have in hand. Anything works. But this is what I like to cook the soup in, but whatever your preferences are. We're going to start adding ingredients. I'm going to add some chicken in here. I have some chicken tenders. I'm going to add the tomatoes. I'm going to add my corn in here. I'm going to add some coconut milk. Mix it up a little bit so the orzo does not stick to your pot. Oh, this looks amazing already. Turn it down. Let all that baby sit in there. Add 4 cups of chicken broth. And another 4 cups of chicken broth in here. Gonna add our spinach, baby spinach that is. Oops. Gonna turn up the heat a little bit. Give this a good stir. Gonna add our chopped up parsley. Look at all those beautiful colors in here, guys. This dish is addicting. We can have this dish every night of the week. It's that good. Even my picky eaters love this dish. We're gonna add now, because this dish is supposed to be tangy, so I'm gonna add some fresh lemon in here. I added 2 for now. I'm gonna let everything cook, and if I feel like it's not sour and tangy enough for me, I'm gonna add 1 more lemon in there. But for now, there's only 2. Give it a good mix. Oops. Make some mess in the kitchen. And once this boils a little bit, I'm going to add the best part of the soup, guys. It's the pesto. So stay tuned. This is looking really good. It looks like the chicken is cooked. We have cooked this for about 20 to 30 minutes. You want to cook it that long just because you want your chicken to cook thoroughly. I'm actually going to be taking out the chicken breast and shredding them, and then I will put it back in the pot again. Once I do that, I'm going to add the pesto and some Parmesan cheese. At the end, also, you want to add salt and pepper to your tasting. Because we are going to fish out all the chicken breasts from here. So we can shred everything nicely. All right, let's shred this baby. You can also chop it up if you would like, whatever is easier or whatever you would prefer. Shredded now, put it back in the pot. Once you shred the chicken, we're going to add the best part of the soup, the pesto. I'm gonna have a cup of it, add it all in here. Look at that color, guys. That looks amazing. We're also gonna add some salt and pepper, but just be careful with how much salt you add because the pesto is already salty. And the Parmesan we're also gonna add in here that has salt in it as well. Just sprinkle that on. Ooh, give it a good stir. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna turn this up a little bit, let it boil for another 5 to 10 minutes for all the ingredients to come together. And then I'm gonna show you what the end results look like. And we're gonna have a taste. All right, guys, the soup is done. It smells absolutely amazing in this kitchen right now. I'm gonna pour me some, try it out. Oh my goodness, look at my little cute fall cup that I have here. It goes so perfectly with this fall soup. All right, and if you like it spicy, like I do, you can add a little bit of red crushed pepper in there. Let's give this a little stir. Yum, it smells so good. Oh my God, it's amazing, guys. You're gonna love this one. I guarantee you're gonna love it. Now we're finishing up, so if you guys have any questions or comments, please ask. And don't forget to hit the like button and the notification button. So for next video, you guys will get notified. Stay tuned. Mwah.